Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is February the 16th. I wanted to provide an update on LGVW. Currently, the ticket symbol just changed today when market opened to BFLY, Butterfly Network. So right now, if you were looking for, LGVW, you will find it. This is the new ticker, currently at 22.90, down by about 0.65%. For the week, since yesterday the market was closed, you see it's down by 4.26%. And for the month, it's up by 15.66%. And then for the 3 months, it's up by 134.39%. For the year, it's up by 125.39%. Just a quick reminder, most people right now who bought it at like $9, $10, will probably maybe taking some money off the table, so just expect some consolidation, maybe even a dip, but I see this price also going up after a short while, because right now everything has been factored in. People know what the company deals with. For those who don't know what Butterfly Network Inc. does, and they deal with handheld ultrasound devices which work with the iPhones and Androids, and I think it's a good business model. If you ask me, I'll touch a little bit about the PR article they just pushed out. It's always good to check the investor relations page on the main company's website, and also just cross check with what's out there, because sometimes maybe Yahoo Finance or PRN Newswire will have the article out and it will be ranked high on Google. So it's good to kind of cross check, make sure it's the same that they have on their website. So currently, for those who have seen my previous videos, I have 200 shares at an average cost of $16.35. I'm up by 39.45%. This is a long time hold for me at the moment, and also I think that this company has some potential. I know it's backed by Bill and Melinda Gates, and I think also the PR article mentions that. So I think it's a stable company, because a billionaire wouldn't back a company they hadn't also done their due diligence. So if you do your own due diligence on your end, and you have very notable people backing the company up, you kind of a little bit safer, even though there's always risk associated. So let's see, right now market cap 1.18 billion, and the volume is 970k right now, 52-week high of 2480. So I think the volume is going to increase, and let's just go and check the article. So the article went out just today. Butterfly Network goes public, taking portable ultrasound device global. And I'll just read a little bit on this, so that some people get an idea of what's up. So Butterfly Network, which makes portable sized ultrasound devices that can plug into a smartphone, has gone public through a merger with a SPAC called Longview Acquisition, in a deal that values the company at $1.5 billion. Butterfly Network, backed by Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, aims to transform medical imaging and non-invasive surgery by leveraging advances in semiconductors, deep learning, and cloud computing. IPO sat down with founder and chairman of the board, and they have this story here. What has Butterfly created? And the answer is, Butterfly has created a breakthrough ultrasound solution combining both innovative hardware and novel connected software solution. We put ultrasound on a chip and made revolutionary improvements in portability, power consumption, and cost relative to traditional ultrasound technology. Chip-based ultrasound enables a single probe to do the work of several by controlling the sensor with software. The probe connects to a mobile app that links to the cloud computing power for artificial intelligence in the user's hand and allows images to be stored instantly. Our enterprise software platform enables integration with EMR and workflow systems for healthcare providers. Ultimately, we see Butterfly as a solution that can transform care delivery by providing important information to clinicians earlier in treatment that support their decision-making process. And you can read this article. It's very important for you to kind of dig through, get to know what the company is doing. I I just want to touch base on that. It's kind of long. I didn't want to waste people's time because you can also find and read it. I want to touch what they do because a lot of people are asking me what they do, and I thought I can just touch on it. But the main thing was just the ticker symbol for today. Subscribe to the channel. We're growing very fast. If you like the content of the video, give it a thumbs up so that our channel can grow even faster. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this company, and if you have any shares, let me know how many you do have and what's your price projection. Currently I see us hitting $25 in the next few months, and since a long-term play, I wouldn't be surprised if we double by the end of the year. So thank you so much. Be green, be safe. See you on the next one.